ackwrite.com. Hi there. In this video, we're going to walk through the essentials of managing your Moodle space. We'll start by reviewing how to edit your course settings to keep your page organized. Then, I'll show you how to upload and manage key resources, like your lecture presentations and PDF readings, to ensure your students have everything they need to succeed. Welcome to the UOG e-learning portal. To get started, sign in using your Office desktop credentials. Once you land on your dashboard, look to the top right of your screen, toggle Edit Mode to On to begin customizing your course. Next, click the My Courses tab in the top navigation bar. From the list, simply select the course you're ready to set up. At the top of the screen, select the Settings tab. Take a moment to edit your course details, specifically ensuring the start date is accurate and providing a clear course description in the text box provided. To give your course a professional look on the dashboard, you can uncourse image. Click the Add File icon, or simply drag and drop your image directly into the upload box. For the best results, use a high-quality JPG or PNG file. This visual also helps your students quickly identify your course at a glance. If you need to change the image, click on the existing image file and select Delete to clear the space. Now, simply drag and drop your new JPG or PNG file into the box. The course format section decides how your content is displayed. By default, Moodle uses the topics format, which is great for organizing material by theme or unit. However, you may prefer the weekly format. This automatically organizes your sections by date, starting from your course start date. To switch, just use the drop-down menu to select your preferred layout, then scroll to the bottom and hit Save and Return. If you need to extend your course, scroll to the very bottom of the main page. Click the Add Week button to create additional sections. Before uploading, check that your file name is clear. Moodle displays the exact file name, so ensure it's something your students will easily recognize, like Lecture 1, Intro to Company Law. Now, simply click and hold your file. Then drag it directly into the desired week or topic. Look for the blue dashed box that says Add Files here and release your mouse. You can also use the file picker. Click Add an activity or resource, then choose the File button. Click File icon to choose File, or just drag and drop the file. Once the file name appears, scroll down and click Upload this file. You can leave the remaining settings at their defaults. Simply click Save and Return to Course to finalize the upload. The file should now be displayed on the course page. To edit a file, first turn Edit Mode on. Navigate to the file you wish to modify. On the far right of the file name, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click this icon to open the Action menu. Here you will be able to edit, show or hide the file, and also delete the file. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you navigate Moodle, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep creating more helpful content for you.